Hey guys, this is Ashish and welcome to my another tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you logical operators and a small concept, size of operator, which I'll just tell you now. To start with, I'll just take an variable int x, then I'll put a print statement, printf. I'll just print it the size of this is %d because it is an int. Now to find the size of it, all we have to do is we'll have to just write size of, and inside the parenthesis just type the variable name. I've taken it as x, so just type x, press enter, just build and run it. You'll get 4 as integer uses 4 bytes, and make sure you have spelled it wrong. Okay, so okay, yes. Now similarly, as character just takes 1 byte, so if you just change it to char, then build and run it, it'll give 1 byte. Float takes 4 bytes, so it should give out 4. Similarly, double, it gives out 8. Okay, so this was about the size of operator. Coming to the logical operators, we'll be covering up 3 logical operators: logical and, logical or, and logical not. I'll start with logical and. I'll just take up a simple example, like I'll take a variable of integer type and I'll give it a name as age. We'll just check if it is the age of teenager. Condition: if to be a teenager, you'll have to, your age limit should be 12 if the age is greater than or equal to 12, and if your age is less than or equal to 19, I guess, yeah, 19, then printf, hey, you are a teenager. Okay, put a semicolon there. Okay, now if we build and run it, we'll have to just put a value for age also did equal to 16, I guess. Now if we build and run it, it should satisfy this condition. Okay, I forgot double quotes there. So yeah, just build and run it. See, you get hey, you are a teenager. Okay, now if I change this age to say 26, then it won't show anything because we didn't put any condition. And what this is called logical and. It'll just see that if this is true and this is true, then print out that you're a teenager. Okay, this is logical and. For logical and, if the output has to be true, both the condition has to be true. Now for the or statement, we'll just take an example of college again. We'll just take 2 variables, int semester average and int uh, final exam. Okay, now if the sem average is greater than or equal to 90, or if he scores greater than or equal to 90 in his final exam, greater than or equal to 90 in his final exam, we'll just print out grade as A. His grade is A. Okay. I'll put it equal to 95 and the final exam is 92. Okay, his grade is A. So if now if I change it in logical or, either of these condition, if it is true, then then the whole condition will be true and you'll get the output as its grade is A. Now for example, if I change semester to 5 and I'll let the final exam be 92, then it still prints out that his grade is A. So this was a logical OR. Now moving to logical NOT. Now for the logical NOT, I'll just take an example. I'll just make a variable in x and we'll assign the value later. Now we'll just take an if statement. If the value of x is equal to, I'll say 4, then I want it to just print out something. I'll just write something, some crap. Okay, that's the best thing to print out. So yeah, now if I give the value for x as 4, as we all know, it should obviously print out some crap, and it does. Now I'll just tell you the concept of logical NOT. Now suppose if I add an exclamation there, so what this means is, if the condition here is true, it will negate it and set it to false, and therefore this thing won't work. It won't print out anything. It doesn't print out anything, as you can see. So if I change it to 5, okay, so now if we just check the condition, it'll check the condition is x equal to 5. No, it's not. So the condition here is false, but false will make it true. It will negate it again. It will change the false to true, so it will print out some crap as it is. Okay, so these were logical and not and or statements, and the size of operator, which we just saw. And I think that's it for this tutorial, and in the next couple of tutorials I'll be just taking the programs, few small and few little complicated programs, so that you can have a better understanding and a better hold on C language. Just stay with me, stick with me, bear me. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.